I'm recording off my dad's ham. I don't know.
The National Weather Service has issued
severe thunderstorm watch
number 568, effective until 9 p.m. or 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Ford, Iroquois, Livingston, McLean, and Vermilion, and the following counties in Indiana: Benton, Jasper, and Newton. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.